Hey guys, welcome back to another video. At this point, you've enrolled in either your D or C license and you're trying to create your first session. Your first assignment comes up, you spend an hour on it, and then you can't seem to find it. That's going to create a lot of frustrations, and I went through the same thing. So let's get right into how to properly create a session. You are going to go ahead and go into planning, right? And when you do that, you want to click on training sessions. You want to create a training sessions, so you go to training sessions. That's not at all how it works. So the first things that pop up are graphics, training exercises, and then training sessions. So what you want to do is actually go to graphics first. From there, you would create a new graphic, and we can call this one video. And from there, you can, we're just gonna create something real quick here, just anything like that. And then you wanna make sure you hit save. And now you will see your graphic right here. So you will see the new graphic that we just created right there. And then what you want to do next is go to planning and training sessions. No, follow the steps. You go to training exercises. You go to training exercises, you're going to hit create new. We're going to title this video as well. And you can, again, if you're doing grassroots, you want to make sure this button is off. If you are working on C license and above, you want to make sure that red button is on. That's pretty important. And then from there, you go to graphics. You select your graphic that we just created. You'll see that there. So go to graphic, select, and go to next. And then we can save and exit. So now you've done 2 out of the 3 steps. You created a graphic, you've created a training exercise. Now you go to training sessions. We hit create new. And from there, you'll be able to, again, just subscribe. And you'll be able to hit variables, exercises, and now you'll be able to select your exercise that you just created, which would be right here. Again, always go to the exercise, select your exercise, and then you'll see that it uploaded here. Now, if you want to do, so let's say that's the warm-up part of your session, and then you're moving on to the second part of your play, practice, play, or if you're in your C course, let's just say like orientation, and then you'll have your third, and so on and so on. Do not be tricked. Do not hit create new exercise here. You just did step 1. What you want to do is go to planning, graphics, create your graphics first, then go to training sessions, create a training session per graphic like we just did here. And then when you go to your training session, you should be able to just select the exercise and work and add the things that you already created. Do not create anything from the training session page. It will not save. You'll spend a lot of time doing it and you're gonna get pretty frustrated. From there, if you guys want any more help with the actual creating of a session or how to use the planning tool, I know it can be frustrating at first, so go ahead and obviously hit like, subscribe, or whatnot. And then from there, just click on the second video, and that's where we're going to be spending some time creating a session.